Okay, so here's this Lennox mirror to his heat pump starting up. There's my tripod. It's got a couple-inch spark compressor. I got a video of all the units here running yesterday. So I'll try to get it started and shut down this unit. That's a really nice fan sound. This is my second attempt trying to do this. I missed it the first time. I might see if I can get this one today. I'm not sure. I don't know how long it's going to be on. Those two I already got. Yeah, 2020 14 SEER 5-ton. Merit series. Not cold yet. Just started up. These things are extremely dirty. The door is installed by Mountain Valley Home Comfort. Yeah, now it's starting to get cold. Nice fan motor. Thing has broad ocean. So yeah. Well, there's a startup of it, and I will get a shutdown of it in just a minute. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.